मोशन चैप्टर की अगली कंसेप्ट देखेंगे, दैट इज वेलोसिटी. व्हाट इज वेलोसिटी? वेलोसिटी इज अ डिस्प्लेसमेंट अपॉन टाइम. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Displacement is a vector quantity because it's required. In the last lecture we discussed about the concept of displacement, that is the shortest path, means that is the shortest distance between the initial and final position. That is displacements. Displacement is required for the direction, magnitude, for the representation. So it is a vector quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Unit of speed and velocity both are same, meter per second, kilometer per hour, centimeter per second. Then uniform speed. What is the uniform speed? It covers a equal displacement in a equal interval of time. Same way, in the concept of speed, both concepts are same. Equal displacement cover in a equal interval of time. Magnitude and direction of velocity is constant. You remember that this point, in a uniform velocity, magnitude and direction of velocity must be constant. Whenever magnitude or direction of velocity will be changed, at that time the uniform velocity is not present for the in the motion. For you require the uniform velocity, at that time magnitude and direction of velocity is constant. Magnitude and direction of velocity is constant. Remember, suppose this is a circular motion. Speed and velocity वर्सेस में हम स्टडी कर सकते हैं. The body is moving from this place 5 meter per second, uniform speed. 5 meter per second, 5 meter per second, here 5 meter per second. Speed is constant. Suppose this is point A, B, C or D. All points, A point, B point, C point, D point, speed of the object is same. Whenever the magnitude of velocity is same, but direction is different. So, in this case, the velocity of body is not uniform. Why? Because direction is changed continuously. Whenever the magnitude of velocity is same, but direction is not same, that's why it is not called as a uniform velocity. In this case, we can't represent velocity as uniform velocity. Why? Because magnitude is same, but direction is continuously changed. That's why we required for uniform velocity, magnitude and direction both are constant in the same direction, right? Variable velocity, a body change in magnitude and direction or both, means the body change its magnitude from 5 meter per second, 10 meter per second, 50 meter per second, magnitudes are changed, directions are changed, variable direction again in this way, directions are continuously changed or both are changed. मीन्स सिचुएशन पे डिपेंड करेगा, कहीं मैग्नीट्यूड चेंज होगा, कहीं मैग्नीट्यूड सेम रहेगा, डायरेक्शन चेंज होगा, या कहीं पर दोनों भी चेंज हो सकते हैं. उसे हम वेरिएबल वेलोसिटी कह सकते हैं, राइट? तो एवरेज वेलोसिटी क्या आती है? डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिवाइडेड बाय द टाइम टेकन फॉर द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. डिस्प्लेसमेंट डिवाइड बाय द टाइम. डिस्प्लेसमेंट को कौन डिवाइड कर रहा है? टाइम फॉर टेकन फॉर द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. किसी भी डिस्प्लेसमेंट को कवर करने के लिए जो डिस्प्लेसमेंट को टाइम डिवाइड करेगा उसे हम एवरेज वेलोसिटी बताएंगे. लिसन, आपको समझ में आएगा. सपोज this is a displacement x1, position p1. This is a displacement x2, that is position p2. Then time interval to cover displacement x1 is t1, this displacement is covered t2. Therefore, average speed, average velocity is equal to x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. Average velocity is equal to x2 minus x1 upon t2 minus t1. Right? Because it is the shortest distance between the initial and final position, so displacement, and that is the time of interval between them, then it is called as the average velocity. This is average velocity, but certain situation, one of the situation, the rate of change of velocity of body is uniform. अगर किसी बॉडी की वेलोसिटी का रेट चेंज जो है वो अगर सेम है, जैसे पहले स्टार्ट हुआ 20 किलोमीटर पर आवर, फिर 30 किलोमीटर पर आवर, फिर 40 किलोमीटर पर आवर, फिर 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मीन्स द चेंज ऑफ स्पीड इज यूनिफॉर्म. एट दैट टाइम द एवरेज वेलोसिटी कैन बी टेकन बाय अर्थमेटिक मीन, दैट इज initial velocity plus final velocity upon, that is initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2, means initial is u, final is v upon 2. ये कब यूज करोगे? जहां पर the rate of change of velocity is uniform, then you can find out that average velocity is initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2 by arithmetic mean. Understand? Instantaneous velocity. Same way, the velocity of object can be defined at a given instant of time. That is called as a instantaneous velocity. Understand? Thank you.